Where are you from?
I'm from France.
Where do you live?
I live in Paris.
How old are you?
I'm 26 years old.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on January 1st.
What is your phone number?
My phone number is 617098324145.
What's email address?
It's liam123@gmail.com.
What do you do?
I'm work in bank.
What line of work are you in?
I work in sales.
What company do you work for?
I work for an investment bank.
What religion are you?
I am a Christian.
What is your marital status?
I'm single.
Are you married?
No, but looking for someone nice.
Do you have a boyfriend?
I have a boyfriend.
How many children do you have?
I do not have any children.
Do you have any siblings?
I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters.
Who do you live with?
I live with my parents.
What time do you get up?
I usually get up at 5:30 a.m.
When do you do morning exercises?
I often do morning exercises at 6 a.m.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 6:30 a.m.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at